Welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole, and today we are selecting our winner for the 2023 CDC Christmas Unboxing / giveaway prize. So if you guys remember, a couple days ago, about 6 days ago, we did a video. And it was a video that we did as an update on the fish tank and what is going on in the fish tank. And we did some things talking about an unboxing of a very cool Nova that I think a lot of you really enjoyed. Just going through the comments here. And lastly, the giveaway that we are doing for the Christmas 2023. So if you guys remember, there's a couple of loose castings in there. And one big prize that Crossroads Diecast helped me with by painting and finishing the car. And that's what was in that box. So I just wanted to get you guys involved for the Christmas and holiday season. And I wanted to do something fun. So I decided to put that giveaway together. And you guys blew up the comments. Very cool. I'm looking forward to see who's going to win. So as you guys see up here, we do have a YouTube random comment picker. It has updated itself. So the keyword kind of thing was kind of useless, sadly, but I'm glad you guys still played along. And when we do giveaways and stuff like this again, let's make sure we play that game. And you guys did a fantastic job. You guys did one message per, and you guys followed the rules, and I really appreciate that. I know there's some people out there that don't really always follow the rules, but I'm glad you guys did. Okay guys, let's jump over the before we jump over there, let's double click Command C if you're on Mac and move over to our random comment picker. So I already selected add comments and then filter out duplicate users just to make it easier. So we just put in our YouTube link. Now we're going to go down to, oh goodness, this is different now. Okay, so we're just going to go down to get YouTube comments. Oh, we got to do math first. Hang on. 4. Now we can push get YouTube comments. Why? Jeez. And we are working on this, so all you got to do is put the math equation in, acquire your comments, and then push start. I didn't look down, and that was my bad. Now I feel kind of stupid, but I'm glad we got it to work. So let's see who's going to win our box. Come on. All right! CC's Diecast 8860, congratulations buddy, and Merry Christmas. So guys, I appreciate everyone commenting and viewing the video. I really appreciate it. You guys are fantastic. And Cecil's, contact me. You got 2 days, so that is Christmas Eve. You got to answer your winnings. Alright guys, thank you for stopping by the fish tank. We will see you on Christmas Day. Got another video to show you guys then. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy Hanukkah. I want to wish you guys a happy holiday again. So, thank you very much for stopping by, and we will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.